Hello students, now I am taking the subject Maths and for the topic Arithmetic Progression. So now let us see about what is meant by Arithmetic Progression. Arithmetic Progression is nothing but it is a sequence. I will write one example: 5, 10, 15, 20. The sequence goes like that. Here what happened? The number is increasing here. So 5, another 5 is added, we get 10. Then another 5 added, we get 15. So the succeeding term minus preceding term we call it as common difference. So the succeeding term, if I take this is a first term A1, second term as A2. So A2 minus A1 will give about common difference. Common difference. Okay, now what is A2? A2 is 10 and first term is 5. So the difference you get it as 5. Okay, then the first term is number 5 is there. So write A is first term and then we have to find out the number of terms. Suppose this is a fourth term, this is second term, third term, fourth term. Now I want the answer for 11th term. How do you find out? Okay, so 11th term, n value, 11th term we have to find out. The formula says an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now I have to find out 11th term. So a11, when I want to find out, a value we already know, the first term number is 5, put plus, then 11 minus 1 into common difference, we got the answer as 5. Okay, that 5 also enter. How do you calculate this? Okay, first write this 5, then 11 minus 1, how much you will get? 10. 10 into 5 multiply. Okay, then you will get the answer as 10 5s are 50. So final answer you will get 55. So this is how we have to do the calculation. See, now I am going to give the problem here. Determine the AP. So arithmetic progression, that sequence we have to find out from the sum. They are saying third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Then what that entire sequence will come? Already we know first term will come as A1 and general form. Second term what will happen? A1, A2 will get. Then third term, like that seventh term are there. Okay, A4, A5, A6, A7. So here they are only given about third term is 5. Third term is 5 means here we are getting answer as 5 and seventh term here we are getting the value as 9. Now we don't know what is first term and second term. So all this we have to find out. How to do this? So we have to write the equation. We already know general form of equation is, what is the general form? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now I want to find out for third term. Third term, how do you write? A3 is equal to first term. What is it? We don't know what is the first term. So write a only and n value. This is n value. So here write 3 minus 1 and we don't know common difference also. And that answer value is 5. That you write. Now simplify this. What you will get? A plus 2d, that is equal to 5. This you keep it as equation number 1. Okay, next they given about seventh term. Seventh term, how do you write? A7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Okay, that value gives about 9. Now if you simplify this, you will get a plus 6d equal to 9. This you consider as equation number 2. Now we have to solve this both equation. How do you solve? Okay, this is a bigger one, 6d, but this is 2d. Okay, equation number 1, I am going to write it down. Okay, so a plus 2d, that is equal to 5. Now what I am doing is, I want to eliminate one term. Because here there are two variables are there. One variable is a, another variable is d. So we cannot solve by keeping two variables. Now I am doing subtracting, subtract. So subtract means what? The symbol will change. So this I put it as minus and this also minus, this also minus. Now a, equal and opposite what will happen? Get cancelled. 6, 2 if you subtract, then you will get 4d. 4d equal to, you will get the answer as 4. Now I want to find out what is the common difference d value. Into number goes to other side, what you have to do? You have to divide. So you will get common difference as 1. Now what you do is d value, you substitute equation number 1. Okay, now what I would write is substitute d equal to 1 in equation number 1. Equation number 1, what it says? A plus 2d equal to 5. So a value we don't know, but common difference we got answer as 1. So 2d means 2 into 1. That answer is equal to 5. 2 ones are 2 and plus 2 goes to other side, you have to subtract. So this implies a value equal to 5 minus 2, we get the answer as 3. Now we got the first term. Okay, and we got the common difference also. What is the general form of arithmetic progression? First one we will write it as a, second we will write it as a plus d, and third term we will write it as a plus 2d, and fourth term we will write it as a plus 3d. Okay, now we will substitute that value. A value is 3 and difference here only that first term only will come here. Second term with common difference you have to add. What is the common difference you got? 1. So 3 plus 1 added, because a plus d is given. 3 plus 1 added, how much you get? 4. Okay. Again one more common difference is added. 4 plus 1, how much you get? 5. Again another one added, how much you get? 6. So now we got that this is the AP required. Therefore AP required is 3, 4, 5, okay. See, so far we have seen about finding the terms, 11th term, 20th term, like that we got that answer. Now I am going to say one more important in arithmetic progression is sum of the terms. Sum of terms means you want to add, that sequence is given, so you have to add up to 30th term, sometime 40th term. So it is practically very difficult to add all the numbers. So they have given easy formula. How to find out sum of all the terms. Suppose we already know the first term a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, and the fourth term is, okay, we write it as a plus 3d. Okay, the terms goes like that, and the last term we'll get it as a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to add all this. For that, what is the formula says? Sn. Sn means sum of the all this up to nth term. That value given by the formula as n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So by using this formula, we can do just calculation within 1 or 2 minutes only. So I just give one small example. Let us say the terms arithmetic progressions are given as 8, 3, minus 2. If it goes like that. Now I have to add up to 22nd terms. We don't know what is the 22nd terms, and then we have to add up to here. So what we have to do? Now we have to write that by using this formula I can do only within 2 minutes only. How I will do? Now I have to find out 22nd term. So the number here, first you find out the common difference. How do you find out the common difference? Second term minus first term. What is the second term says? The answer is 3 and first term is 8. 3 minus 8 you put, you will get the answer as minus 5. Always remember, when the value goes keep on decreasing, the common difference will always comes as a minus sign. Okay. Now I will substitute in this value. Now we will write first term also, because the formula needs n value. N value we already know. They are asking about 22nd term. So n equal to 22. Common difference value we got here answer. And first term is first number. First number what is given? 8. Now we got the entire set of the values. Now I am going to find out sum of 22nd terms. Okay, so now by using this formula n divided by 2. N value is 22. So 22 divided by 2 you put, and then 2a. 2 into first term value is 8 plus n minus 1. That means 22 minus 1, and common difference we got it as minus 5. This you put. Here the students, you have to be very careful. This minus 5 is after the subtraction from 1, that number you have to multiply, not subtraction. Everywhere the student they just do mistakes. After subtraction, this number they subtract. Should not do. Okay, so be careful. Okay, now what I will do is, this is even number 22, so I can easily cancel. So after 2 divided, you will get answer as 11, because 11 2s are 22. So 11 you write, Now use one by one you simplify. Okay, don't do all at a time. So you will ended up with the wrong answer. 2 8s are 16 plus 22. After 1 subtracted you will get 21. The 21 what you are getting, with that you have to multiply by minus 5, not this subtraction. Okay, now I will simplify this. 11 into 16. 21 5s are how much you will get? 5 1s are 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 105 you will get. Plus into minus you will get minus. Okay, now minus number is bigger than the plus number. Now that bigger number first you write, then 16 you subtract. Okay, so 5 it is not possible. 15 if you take 9, then here 9 will be there. Okay, 9 minus 1 you will get 89. So 11 into 89 you will get, because minus number is greater, you will get the answer as minus 89. Minus 89 you have to multiply by 11. So how much you will get? 1 9s are 9, 1 8s are 8. Again, now add this 9. Okay, then 17. Okay, so final answer you get it as minus 979 is the answer.